Today, we will see some examples related to angles. Which of the following figures has more angles? Angle means corner. So to find out how many angles are there in the figure, we will find the number of corners. Here, in figure A, we see there are 6 corners. So this figure has a total of 6 angles. Similarly, in figure B, we see that there are a total number of 7 corners. So we can say that this figure has a total of 7 angles. Now we can say that figure B has more angles. Next example. In the given figure, write the names of the angles, vertex, and arms of each angle. Two rays with a common starting point make an angle. In the given figure, ray AD and ray AF make angle DAF. We can also call it angle FAD. The two rays that make an angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. In this way, the arms or sides of the angle DAF are ray AD and ray AF. Similarly, the common starting point of rays is called vertex of the angle. In this way, A is the vertex of angle DAF. In this figure, ray AF and ray AE make angle FAE or angle EAF. The arms and sides of this angle are ray AF and ray AE, and the vertex is point A. This figure has another angle. Can you find an angle other than angle DAF and angle FAE in this figure? Think a little. Absolutely correct. The third angle in this figure is angle DAE or angle EAD. The arms and sides of this angle are ray AD and ray AE, and the vertex is point A. Next example. In the figure given below, find out what are the points on the boundary AOC, what are the points in the interior of AOC, and what are the points on the exterior of AOC. In the previous video, we learned that the part formed by the arms or sides of the angle is called boundary. The part inside the boundary of the angle is called the interior of the angle, and the part outside the boundary of the angle is called the exterior of the angle. Let me solve the given questions based on this understanding. As you can see, the given figure has point A, point O, point F, and point C on the sides of the angle. So, we can say that all these points are at the boundary of the angle. Can you tell which point is in the interior of the angle? Think a little. Okay, let me tell you. Here, point E, point B, along with point G, are also in the interior of the angle. Can you tell why we say that point G is in the interior of the angle? Let me explain. Because the arms or sides of the angle are made of rays. Rays start from a point but have no end. In this way, we can increase the length of the rays as much as possible. The interior of the angle will also increase with increasing rays, which means G will also come in the interior of the angle. At the same time, point D and point H are in the exterior of the angle. Today, we have seen some examples related to the angle. In the next video, we will see some common misconceptions and simple mistakes related to them.